You can fade in and fade out a video in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Click your video, select it and highlight it. Scroll down and scroll all the way to the right. You see the option next to reverse and stabilize. Click this and drag this all the way to the left. The video is getting darker. Check mark. And next I'm going to click the diamond icon to add a keyframe. I want to fade in, let's say right here. Click again to add another keyframe. Opacity, this way to the right. Check mark. As you can see, our video clip or footage is slowly fading in. If you want to fade this out, click your video clip, click an icon again, right here, your keyframe. To the right, make sure your video is still selected and highlighted. Where it says opacity next to reverse and stabilize. This all the way to the left, the video is darker, and click the check mark. And now you have successfully faded in and faded out a video in Capcut Mobile completely for free.